Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dermacos Oxygen Skin Gloss. This product is designed to give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. We'll cover everything from preparing your skin to the best application techniques. By the end, you'll know exactly how to achieve a radiant, refreshed look with this fantastic product. Get ready to transform your skincare routine and enjoy luminous skin. Before applying the Oxygen Skin Gloss, proper skin preparation is crucial for maximum effectiveness. Start by cleansing your face with a mild cleanser to remove any makeup or dirt. Follow up with a toner to refine your pores and prepare your skin. Make sure your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step. This ensures the product adheres well and delivers its full benefits. Now for the application. Take a small amount, about the size of a pea, onto your fingertips. Gently massage the gloss onto your face and neck using upward, circular motions. Be sure to cover all areas evenly. Let the product absorb completely for about 5 to 10 minutes. For best results, incorporate this into your routine 2 or 3 times a week to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. Dermacos Oxygen Skin Gloss offers several fantastic benefits. It significantly boosts your skin's radiance, giving you a fresh, luminous look. Regular use can also improve your skin's texture, making it feel smoother and softer. For optimal results, remember to store the product in a cool, dry place. Enjoy your revitalized and glowing skin with these simple steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.